Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Tuesday, and it's December 3rd. Hope you guys are having a wonderful morning so far today. We do have a quiet day in the sense on the economic calendar. We have nothing to report today. Tomorrow will be the first day of the jobs reports we get, which will be the ADP jobs report. We're expecting a rate around 100, 150,000, about 150,000 new jobs created on there. The BLS we're kind of expecting, which will be reported on Friday, about 180,000. So it kind of will be our first of the three jobs data we'll see this week. And of course, there's not weighted real high, but they will want to kind of gauge us to see what the ADP comes out. It will be our prelude for the big one on Friday. So let's see what's affecting the headline news. And right now, stocks are down again. We had stocks closed down a bit yesterday. I think it was Dow was down over 200. So far, Dow is down over 300. And again, it has to do with some comments by President Trump and tariffs talk, so we'll kind of lead into tariffs. But the comments were made that he's speaking to, I believe it was NATO in Europe, and basically said that he thinks it may be even better to wait on a China trade deal until after the 2020 election. So, of course, investors were pricing in equities that we would have something in this year to avoid a December 15th tariff. Uh, Tariffs would be applied in December here on the 15th here, and that looked like perhaps that could lead into tariffs again that on the Chinese. Uh, so they don't know if that's posturing, maybe he's trying to posture, or if he's serious about it. But he kind of put it out there that he's not in a hurry to get a deal done, and it could be even after the 2020 presidential election. And so we'll have to kind of see. The market's not taking too kindly because they've been kind of pricing and kind of bumping up as we saw at new highs based on having a trade negotiation agreement with China. And right now that could be on hold. Again, which leads into tariffs, which leads that we could be putting those tariffs into place on December 15th. Also, more tariffs, as we had talked about yesterday, is that he was going to be, Brazil and Argentina were devaluing their currency to really low levels. So President Trump was going to go ahead and tariff the uh, steel and aluminum coming from those two countries. And then because of EU's subsidies to Airbus, now he's talking about, again, tariffs on the EU products as well. So we could have tariffs almost all the way around here on a lot of different countries. So with this tariff talk, it's kind of spooking the markets. And again, Dow's down over 300 so far this morning, and it closed down, I believe, over 200 yesterday. So let's see how this is affecting the bond market. And right now, it's loving it. Actually, all that money going from the stocks are now going into the bonds. So we're up about 42 basis points, which will be a nice little treat for those who are looking to refinance or buy, because rates will show a bit of an improvement there. That's almost 3/8 of a percent in the rate that we're seeing an improvement right there. So that's a nice big jump for us. We'll see if it maintains, because we're again this Fibonacci has been pretty tough for us in the next level as well. So we'll have to see if we could stay above that. And on the other hand, we got the all this layers of support. It's dropped down to about 1.70 right now on the yields. It broke below all those other floors of support, and that's a pretty big catalyst right there. So again, we'll have to wait and see if this how this plays out. But we could have a nice little rally here if this continues, this talk and concerns about tariffs and maybe a lack of a China trade agreement anytime soon. So again, mortgage rates are benefiting from it, so we do got a little bit of improvement as a result of this. So that's the good news. All right, so that's pretty much the wrap. But if you guys are looking to buy or refinance in California, I'd love to hear from you guys. I am a senior mortgage planner with Pinnacle Home Loans, and love to talk to you about your solutions. You can either direct message me or email me. Email is the fastest. I usually respond the fastest via email. But again, love to talk to you about your situation. You guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.